We're off to MCN's Motorcycle Show in London at the Excel. Again? Ah, you prick. That was working. Ah. I thought I had that sorted. Looks like no heat grips this morning. Damn it. Very chilly start this morning, but it should warm up to a rather balmy 10-12 degrees here on the Sussex coast, or up to about 12, 13, 14, 15 in London. Apparently it's a bit foggy on the way up past Gatwick. Right people, I have the Hero GoPro 7 on top of my helmet. This one new toy. Not particularly happy with it because you can't do audio when I put it on the front of the helmet, because you need a great big box to put on the side. I'm still trying to work out how to get my GoPro Hero 7 on the front of my helmet with an audio adapter where my helmet is modular. Anyway, I've got the GoPro, I hope it's recording, on Time Warp, which can record real smooth pictures in either 2 times speed, 5 times speed, 10 times, 15 and 30 I believe. So I've had this GoPro for like less than a day, so I'm going to do a lot of learning with it. I know one thing, I need probably additional batteries. I only came with one battery. But I'm doing a test with it. I'm going to go up the A23 while I go to the motorcycle show and see how far we get. If I can get to Clapham Lane Services, that would be amazing. And that's probably about half an hour, 45 minutes, so I don't know how long the battery will last on the GoPro 7. And on the Hero Continuous, it's about 45 minutes per battery. But I've got plenty of batteries for the GoPros, but not that one. Ah, my heated grips have come back into life again, thank you! Temperamental. Oxford grips, good, but the box, the little switch is open to the elements. I think it's the wet that's not helping it. What a glorious day! Right, we're here at XL, just going to park the bike up and then we're going to do some window shopping. Well, shopping, have a look around, might buy a bike. No, I didn't say that, I didn't say that. I love this one too much. It's a nice looking bike. Come on, where's this motorcycle parking? Why? Come on, away. Get myself into gear. Whoa, look at all those motorcycles. What am I looking for? I'm looking for a gentleman in an orange jacket, probably. just bumped into Howard Martin, who's the event organiser for Bike 1066 and Bexhill Motorfest. Howard, just tell us a little bit more about the event.
Well, first of all, Excel is absolutely fantastic. We love coming up here because all the top kit suppliers who are up here also come to my events, which are free to attend. You know, when you come down to Hastings on May the 6th, it's one of the biggest motorcycle shows in the country that's free. It's bigger in one day than the Isle of Man T2 races are in a fortnight. And when you come up to Excel and you see all these fantastic kit bargains, you see all the latest bikes, we make sure that everything that's here as best we can is also down at Hastings and Bexhill. Now, Bexhill is a fantastic event. Last year we got a Guinness World Record for the Switchback Zero motorcycle stuff. Absolutely brilliant. And again, the same people who come here to Excel, all the kit suppliers and the leading manufacturers, also come down to that event. So check them out.
Howard, how did Bike 1066 all start? It had something to do like the Mayday Run from like Lock's Bottom to Hastings?
That's right, yeah. About 40 years ago, 1979, a guy called Tim Goodison got together with a bunch of his mates and set out on a ride on what was then the new Mayday Bank Holiday, the first Mayday Bank Holiday in 1979. And they rode from Lock's Bottom in Kent down to Hastings, a journey of about 60 miles. It was a great run. That's now built up from a few hundred people into tens of thousands of people. As I said, it's one of the biggest motorcycle free to attend motorbike events in the UK. We get about 46,000 bikes down there. It's absolutely brilliant. Everybody's welcome. It's fantastic.
Great, well it just sounds like it's a place to be in May, so beginning of May each year, yeah, come and join Howard and the crew and all the riders. I'll certainly be there for sure, so yeah, we'll catch you later. Yeah, thanks Howard.
Thank you very much indeed.
Cheers mate. Well, as I'm walking around the stands, I've bumped into somebody else I know, Nick Tunstill, who runs Catalan Adventure, which is somewhere that my brother and I visited like last year, albeit a day, but a fantastic day all the same. Nick, you know, how have things been going since then?
It's been great, Dean. Yeah, we've had a really good year, a lot of interest in biking and the other things we can offer. So we've made a deal with a bike hire company in Barcelona where you can get road bikes at really good prices. So we're making some bespoke tours to go and see some battlefield sites or down to the coast, or just general trail riding or tarmac riding. So we're just offering people lots of different options, how to get here, what they want to do when they get here. And there's a lot of non-biking stuff you can do as well.
So my brother and I, we rode the Honda, was it that the Honda CRF 250?
Yeah.
So they're pretty awesome machines. Why did you choose that particular machine?
I wanted an all-round bike, so we're not a hardcore enduro outfit. So we didn't really want things like KTMs, which are quite very capable bikes, but quite high maintenance.
Nothing wrong with KTMs.
Nothing wrong with KTMs at all. But we wanted a bike that was capable, but not too daunting for people. So if they hadn't ridden before, it wasn't going to catch them out. If you had ridden before, it could do anything you want. So it's good on the road, it's good off-road, and really, really happy with them.
Now, with obviously easy fly and ride distances from any sort of like UK airport, you know, obviously it seems to be like a new thing that seems to be happening with riders that just want to go away for a couple of nights or a weekend. Do people need to sort of bring their own gear, equipment, or do you have all of that as well to give them?
We've got the basics. We've got helmets, boots, armour and gloves. So if they want to bring their kit, fine. If they want to put a rucksack with a spare t-shirt and a pair of pants on and jump on a plane, that's fine, we can sort them out. So nice thing about trail riding is you're not going that quick, you don't need too much kit, you just need the basic safety kit, especially when it's quite warm. So we can sort stuff out to make their trip as easy as possible for them.
Excellent. So how are you finding the show here? I mean, it's only Friday, it's only been a few hours in. Has it been busy for you?
It's been flat out, yeah, it's been really good. A lot of interest. I'm on the stand with Duncan Goff, who's selling his travel books around Spain, which are really useful. So people love Spain as a potential biking destination, on or off-road, for a longer trip or a shorter break, and yeah, we've had a lot of interest. I'm looking forward to the rest of the weekend.
Oh, brilliant! So fantastic. So just obviously keep short. If you know, how do people find you? That's the best thing. So you know, what's your website address, and how do they come and find you to know more?
Catalanadventure.co.uk. We're on Facebook. We're on Instagram, or just come over to the stand if you're up here, and we can explain what we do, how we do it, and why we do it.
Nick, thank you very much indeed for your time. It's essential. But yeah, no, good luck with everything we're doing. To say, last year we went there, my brother and I, we had a fantastic day out, and we would like to go back again in the near
We'd love to see you, Dean, anytime. You're more than welcome.
Cheers, mate. Good to see you.
Yeah, take care. Enjoy the show.
Take care.
In the middle goes Speed Hickman and Wayne Gardner on the inside. Water in right, lights up. Gardner could not get it off the line, but Hodgson did. Neil Hodgson, Richard Cooper sweeping down off the back. The back. Speed Hickman is in third. Wayne Gardner at the back there, but cutting through on the inside. The 87 500cc Aussie World Champion Hodgson. Hodgson and Cooper. Cooper coming off the back. He's got to get up the inside. Underneath Neil Hodgson is the way through here, using his body to Tunstill. Hodgson is on, Cooper is in the lead. Richard Cooper in his lead. Neil Hodgson down on the ground. Now Cooper staying tight. Here comes Peter Hickman in second place. Hickey is looking good here. Hickey squeezing the trouble, coming off the back. As fast as he can. Oh, never miss for Neil Hodgson. Richard Cooper underneath Hickman is in second place. 1 lap to go. Richard Cooper leading. Peter Hickman is closing over. Good right to Peter Hickman. This leads the race. And Cooper gets the win. Brilliant.
That's about us for today, Friday. Really good, really busy. So we're going to leave it to everybody else, but back home. he going to stop? No, he's not going to. Hey, keep away, mate.